this video, we will discuss SEO tips for ranking your content on Google. In order to rank in the top search results, the first thing you have to keep in your mind is the content. The content has to be created for your users to gain information. After the keyword analysis and writing the content, here's what you need to keep in mind when you are about to publish your content on the internet. Do not repeat the title in the description. If the bounce rate is low, it encourages Google to rank you higher for your keywords, because it gives weightage to the fact that people are reading your content for a longer duration of time. Use H1 tags for the title of your post. Use H2 tags for the main headings of your post. Use the Yoast WordPress plugins for meta tags. Meta tags provide information to search engine about your page. These WordPress plugins inform search engines about the summary of your content and how you want your page to show in search results. If your content is informative, it adds value to your users, they read it for a longer period of time, and the chances of your keywords ranking on Google are higher. Stay tuned with us and press the subscribe button and the bell icon.